Welcome dear student in the Swayam portal, Swayam platform in the course named Determinant of Quality Life. Today we will discuss for quality life, civic awareness and responsibility under the topic miscellaneous determinant of quality of life. Content of this module are introduction, civic awareness, benefit of civic awareness, importance of civic responsibility. Civic awareness and responsibility are profound determining to the quality of life. Civic awareness and responsibility act as a key determinant of quality of life. Important of civic awareness and responsibility, respective diversity, environment and public property, tips and takeaway, home message. Learning objective of these modules are: at the end of the module, student will be able to define civic citizen and identify its core characteristics. Student will be able to examine the role of critical thinking in making informed civic decision and engaging in responsible citizenship. Student will be able to describe the societal and personal benefits of being civically aware, including active participation, informed voting and community involvement. Student will be able to justify the need for civic responsibility in sustaining democracy, public welfare and community harmony. The student will be able to analyze how civic engagement and responsibility contribute to improved social services, environmental quality and overall life satisfaction to improve quality of life. The student will be able to evaluate how active civic participation affect governance, right, public services and citizen well-being. The student will be able to explain the interconnected role of awareness and responsibility in creating a more just, sustainable and inclusive society. A student will be able to demonstrate respectful behavior toward people of diverse background, environmental resources and shared public property through civic action. Introduction. What is the civic awareness? Civic awareness, which is the understanding of one's right, responsibility and role in society, indirectly linked to improve the quality of life. When citizens are aware and actively participate in their communities, it can lead to better service delivery, increased accountability and a stronger sense of belonging, all of which contribute to a higher quality of life. Civic awareness is the improved service delivery. Civic awareness empowers citizens to demand better services from their government and to hold them accountable, which citizens are informed about their right and the services and their duties they are entitled to. They are more likely to report problem and advocate for improvement, leading to better infrastructure, sanitation and other essential services. It increases accountability. A citizenry that is aware of government function is more likely to scrutinize these government action and hold effect social accountable. This discuss to more transparent and efficient government, which in turn improve the quality of life for everyone. Sense of belonging and social connections. Civic engagement, which is the natural extension of civic awareness, provide opportunities for people to connect with their communities and build relationships. This can lead to stronger sense of belonging and social support, which are crucial for mental and physical well-being. Enhanced trust. When citizens actively participate in their communities and see their voices being heard, it builds trust between citizens and government. This trust is essential for a functioning democracy and society where everyone pays, include and face respected. Individual and collective well-being. Civic engagement can also have a positive impact on individual well-being. Studies have shown that civic participation can improve mental health, reduce stress, and increase feeling of purpose and meaning in life. Community development. Civic awareness and participation can drive community development by enabling residents to address local issues, improve infrastructure, and create a more vibrant and livable environment. Civic awareness. Civic awareness is the understanding and concern for the rules, norms, and responsibilities of society, including respect for the law and for the well-being of others. It involves recognizing the individual interest are intertwined with the interest of the broader community. Civic awareness also encompasses a sense of responsibility to contribute to the betterment of society and engage in action that promote a positive and functioning community. Key points of civic awareness are being informed about your community and its working, understanding your role as a citizen, knowing your rights and responsibilities, participating active in civic life, that you are aware with your duties toward civic life. Basic principles of civic awareness are respect for law and regulation. Understanding and adhering to law and regulation is a fundamental aspect of civic awareness, ensuring a well-ordered and just society. Respect for others. Considering the feeling, rights, and well-being to fellow citizens is crucial for maintaining a positive and harmonious community. Basic principles of civic awareness are sense of responsibility, recognizing that individuals have a role to play in contributing to the community and its well-being is a key component of civic awareness. Engagement in civic life. Participating in activities that promote community improvement, such as volunteering, voting, and advocating for positive change, demonstrate civic awareness. Knowledge of community issues. Being informed about local and global issues and understanding how they impact the community is essential for effective civic participation. Benefit of civic awareness are become a stronger communities. A citizenry with a strong sense of civic awareness contribute to more cohesive, supportive, and vibrant community. More just and equitable societies. Civic awareness can help individuals advocate for policies and practices that promote fairness and equality, leading to a more just and equitable society. Civic awareness improves quality of life. When citizens are actively involved in their communities and work together to address common challenges, the quality of life for everyone can improve. For more democratic societies, civic engagement and a well-informed citizenry are essential for a healthy and functioning democracy. In essence, civic awareness is about recognizing one's role within society and actively participating in creating a better community for everyone. Civic responsibility. Civic responsibility encompasses the action and behavior that citizens undertake to ensure a functioning and thriving society. It goes beyond simply obeying law and include active engagement in the political process, community involvement, and a sense of duty to the collective goods. Key aspect of this key civic responsibility is to maintain order, ensure justice, and protect right. Types of law. First is criminal law, deal with offences against the state. Example, theft and assault. Civil law deal with the disputes between individuals or organizations. Example, contract and property. Importance of knowing law to avoid legal problems and improve you to exercise your right, help you contribute to a lawful society. Participation in government to quality of life. This includes voting in election, participation in community meeting and holding elected officials accountable by respect of law. Upholding the rules of law and adhering to legal regulation is crucial for maintaining social order. By community involvement, for volunteering, participating in local organizations and supporting community initiatives are examples of civic engagement. Fostering the sense of belongingness. By civic responsibility help individuals feel connected to their community and share in the responsibility for its well-being. By promoting social justice. Engaging in advocacy and working towards social changes are important aspects of civic responsibility. Examples of civic responsibilities are voting in election, exercising your right to choose representative and participate in democratic process. Paying taxes is another way to participate in government for quality of life. Contribute to funding essential public services like education, healthcare and infrastructure. Respecting the environment, protecting natural resources and promoting sustainable practices, supporting community organizations, volunteering time or donating to local charities. Promoting civic discourse, engaging in respectful dialogue with others even when opinions differ. Importance to civic responsibility. Ensure a functioning democracy. An informed and engaged citizenry is essential for a healthy democracy. Promote social justice and equality. Civic responsibility encourages individuals to work toward a more equitable society. Strengthen communities. Civic engagement fosters a sense of belongingness and cooperation that help in quality of life of civic and society. Benefit individuals. Participating in civic life can enhance personal growth and well-being. Civic awareness as a determinant of quality of life. Civic awareness and responsibility is a crucial concept fundamental to a healthy and functioning society. It involves making citizens aware of their rights and duties and inspiring them to fulfill their obligation towards society that make a contributor in quality of life. Quality of life refers to the general well-being of individuals and societies, outlining both material and non-material aspects of life. Civic awareness and responsibilities are profound determinant of quality of life, as civic awareness and responsibilities are not just for individuals but for entire communities and nations. They create a virtuous cycle where informed and active citizens contribute to a thriving society, which in turn enhances the well-being of its members. Civic awareness and responsibility as determinant of quality of life by participation shapes policies. Active civic participation such as voting, engaging in public discourse and volunteering influences policy making. Policies that reflect the need of aspirant of the populace contribute to better public services, that is education, healthcare, infrastructure, which are fundamental to a good quality of life. Reduce the corruptions. A civically aware and responsible populace is less tolerant of corruptions. Collective vigilance and demand for the ethical conduct can significantly reduce corruptions, ensuring that public resources are used for the common good, thereby directly improving public services and quality of life. Civic awareness and responsibility as determinant of quality of life by social cohesion and community well-being, that are the harmony and respect for diversity. Civic responsibility include respecting diversity of culture, religion, and languages and opinions. This fosters an inclusive environment where everyone feels valued and safe, reducing social tension and promoting harmony. A cohesive society is a happier and more stable one. Making a stronger social bond. Engagement in civic activities, that is volunteering, community cleans-up, local initiative, strengthen social network and community bonds. The social capital provides support system, reduces loneliness and enhances collective resilience. Collective problem solving. When citizens are aware of local issues and feel respect for their community, they are more likely to come together to address problems. This collective action can lead to effective solutions for challenges like homelessness, environment degradation, and public safety concern directly improve local living conditions. Civic awareness and responsibility as determinant of quality of life under the healthy and sustainable environment. Environmental stewardship. Civic awareness about environmental issues as pollution, climate change, resource depletion, coupled with a sense of responsibility, drives individuals and communities to adopt sustainable practices. This include proper waste disposal, conservation of resources, and advocating of environmental protection policies. Civic awareness and responsibility as determinant of quality of life for healthy and sustainable environment, that to clean public spaces. Respect for public property and the environment translates that cleaner park, streets and public amenities. A clean and green environment is direct contributor to physical and mental well-being, fostering a higher quality of life. Advocacy of green policies. Civically engaged citizens often advocate for stricter environment regulation and sustainable development, which ultimately benefits everyone by ensuring clean air, water and healthy ecosystem. Civic awareness and responsibility as determinants of the quality of life as individual well-being and its empowerment. Sense of purpose and empowerment. Engaging in civic activities gives individual a sense of purpose and meaning. Contributing to the betterment of society can boost self-esteem, self-efficacy and overall life satisfaction. Personal growth and skill development. Active participation in community affairs develop critical thinking, problem solving, communication and leadership skills, which are valuable in all aspects of life. Civic awareness and responsibility as a determinant of quality of life, that is the individual well-being and empowerment by improved mental health. Studies have shown a positive correlation between the civic engagement, especially volunteering, and improved mental health, reduced stress and lower rate of depression. The social connection and sense of contributing to something larger than oneself are significantly benefits. Civic awareness and responsibility as determinant of the quality of life by economic prosperity and equitable development. Responsible economic practices. Civically aware consumers and workers can demand ethical business practices, fair wages and sustainable protection, contributing to a more just, robust economy. Investment in public goods. When citizens actively participate in local governance, they can influence the allocation of funds toward public goods and infrastructure that support economic growth and improve the standard of living of all. Civic awareness and responsibilities are determinant of quality of life, that is the economic prosperity and equitable development. by reduce inequality. Civic engagement can lead to advocacy for policies that reduce socioeconomic disparities, ensuring that the benefits of development are shared more equitable across all segments of society, which is the key aspect of high quality of life. Importance of civic awareness and responsibility. By strengthening democracy, it is essential for a strong and healthy democracy where citizens make informed decisions and participate in governance. Social development. Responsible citizens work for a betterment of their community, leading to social development and progress. Law and order. When citizens are aware of their duties, it helps maintain law and order. Clean and safe environment. Civic responsibility helps keep public place clean and safe. National unity. It fosters a sense of belonging and pride in country among citizens, strengthening national unity. Duties and basic law. In India, citizens have both fundamental duties and subject to various basic law. These are enshrined primarily in the Constitution of India and other legislative acts. Fundamental duties of Indian citizens. The fundamental duties were added to the Indian Constitution by the 42nd Amendment Act in 1976 and are made more added by the 86th Amendment in 2002. Listed under the Article 51A in part of 4th A, while not directly enforceable by court, they serve as a reminder to citizens to being responsible toward the nation and society. It shall be duty of every citizen of India to abide by the Constitution and respect its ideals and institutions, the national flag and the national anthem. This emphasizes adherence to the fundamental document of the nation and its symbols. Duties and basic law. It shall be the duty of every citizen of India to cherish and follow the noble ideals which inspired our national struggle for freedom. This encourages citizens to remember and uphold the principle of liberty, equality and justice that led to India independence. To uphold and protect the sovereignty, unity and integrity of India, this duty stresses the importance of safeguarding the nation's independence and territorial and cultural oneness. It shall be the duty of everyone citizens in India to promote harmony and the spirit of common brotherhood amongst all the people of India, transcending religious, linguistic and regional or sectional diversities. To renounce practices derogatory to the dignity of women. This promotes social cohesion and gender equality. To value and preserve the rich heritage of our composite culture. This encourages citizens to appreciate and conserve India's diverse cultural tradition. To defend the country and render national services when called upon the time. So, this highlights the responsibility of citizens to contribute to the nation defense in times of need. To develop the scientific temper, humanism and spirit of inquiry and reform, this encourages rational thinking, compassion and desire for progress. To safeguard public property and abjure violence. This promotes responsible use of public resources and discourage any form of violence. To strive toward excellence in all spheres of individual and collective activity so that the nation constantly rises to higher level. of endeavor and achievement. This encourages continuous improvement and a pursuit of excellence for national progress. Who is parent or guardian to provide opportunity for education to his child, or as the case may be ward between the age of 6 and 14 years, added by 86th Amendment 2002. This underscores the importance of education for children. Basic law that every Indian citizen should know, that is the fundamental right, part 3rd of the Constitution. These are considered the cornerstone of the Indian Constitution and enforceable by court. They are right of equality, Article 14 to 18, ensure equality before the law, prohibit discrimination on ground of religion, race, caste, sex, or place of birth, and provide for equality of opportunity in public employment. Next is right to freedom, Article 19 to 22, guarantees freedom like speech and expression, assembly, association, movement, residence, and profession, subject to reasonable restrictions. It also includes protection in respect of conviction for offences and protection of life and personal liberty. Right against exploitation, Article 23rd to 24, prohibit forced labor, human trafficking, and child labor. Right to freedom of religion, Article 25 to 28, guarantees freedom of conscience and the right to profess, practice, and propagate religion. Cultural and educational right, Article 29 to 30, protect the right of the minorities and consequent language, script, and culture, and to establish the administered educational institutions. Right to constitutional remedies, Article 32. This is the heart and soul of Constitution, allowing citizens to approach the Supreme Court directly for the enforcement of their fundamental right. Fundamental right, part 3rd of the Constitution. These are considered the cornerstone of Indian Constitution and the enforcement by the court. They are the right of equality, Article 14 to 18, ensure equality before the law, prohibit discrimination on ground of religion, race, caste, sex, or place of birth, and provide the equality opportunity in public employment. Right to freedom, Article 19 to 22, guarantees freedom like speech and expression, assembly, association, movement, residence, and profession, subject to reasonable restrictions. It also includes protection in respect of conviction for offences and protection of life and personal liberty. They discuss in earlier right to freedom of religion, Article 25 to 28, guarantees freedom of conscience and the right of preface, practice, and propagate religion. Cultural and educational right, Article 29 to 30, protect the right of minorities to conserve their language, script, and culture, and to establish and administer educational institution. Right to constitutional remedies, that is the Article 32 I discussed before. This is the heart and soul of the Constitution, allowing citizens to approach the Supreme Court directly for the enforcement of their fundamental right. Importance, Act and Provision. Right to information, that is RTI Act 2005, empowers citizens to seek information from public authorities, promoting transparency and accountability in governance. Indian Penal Code IPC 1860 the primary criminal code defining various offences like theft, assault, murder, cheating, etc., and prescribing punishment. Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 lays down the procedure for investigating of crime, arrest, trial, and punishment of offenders. Citizens should know their right during arrest. Example, right to be informed of ground for arrest, right to consult a lawyer, right to be produced before a magistrate within 24 hours. Motor Vehicle Act 1988 govern the use of motor vehicle, licensing, registration, traffic rules and penalties for violation. Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act 2005 provide protection to women from various forms of domestic abuse, physical, emotional, sexual, economic, verbal, and others remedies like protection orders and residence order. Sexual harassment of women at workplace are prevention, prohibition, and redressal. Act 2013 aim to provide a safe working environment for women by preventing and addressing sexual harassment. Right to Education Act 2009 make the free and compulsory education for is the fundamental right for children between 6 to 14 years. Consumer Protection Act 2019 protect the right of consumer against unfair trade practices and provide mechanism for redress of consumer grievances. Law on FIR, First Information Report. Every citizen has the right to file the FIR at the police station for the cognizable offences, and police officers cannot refuse to register it. Law regarding arrest. Citizens should be aware of rules regarding arrest, including that a woman cannot generally be arrested between 6 p.m. and 6 a.m. and that police cannot seize key from a vehicle. Respective diversity, environment and public property. Civic awareness and responsibility are crucial for thriving society, and this extends to how we interact with diversity, our environment and public property. These are not just abstract concepts, they are daily practices that shape our communities. Respecting diversity means more than just tolerating differences. It's about actively understanding, appreciating, and valuing the unique background, perspective, and identifies the every individual. Understanding the scope of diversity. This includes differences in race, ethnicity, gender, sexual orientation, age, religion, disability, socio-economic status, national origin, language, and even thinking style. Each of these bring distinct lens through which people experience the world. Benefits of respecting diversity. When we embrace diversity, we foster inclusive environment where everyone feels valued and safe. This leads to richer discussion, more innovative solutions, and stronger social cohesion. It also helps break down stereotypes and reduce prejudice, promoting a more just and equitable society. How to practice it? Be open-minded. Listen actively to different viewpoints and challenge your own biases. Use inclusive languages. Educate yourself about other culture. And stand up against discrimination and stereotype. In a diverse city in Varanasi, with its rich tapestry of culture and tradition, embracing diversity means appreciating the unique contribution of every community and individual. Respecting the environment. Respecting the environment involves understanding our impact on planet and taking action to protect it and natural resources by current and future generation. Awareness of environment issues. This include understand problem like pollution, air, water and noise, deforestation, climate change and waste management. In Varanasi, for instance, awareness about the cleanliness of Ganga river and reducing air pollution are critical. Our responsibility, every citizen has a role in environmental stewardship. This means minimizing our ecological footprint by conserving resources, reducing waste and preventing pollutions. Practical steps as simple action like proper waste disposal, segregating waste, conserving water and electricity, using public transport or carpooling, planting trees and participating in local cleaner drives all contribute significantly. Supporting initiative for a cleaner Gangas or promoting green space in our neighborhood are direct ways to show environmental responsibility. Respecting public property. Respecting public property means treating shared resources and infrastructure with care, recognizing that they belong to everyone in the community. Our collective ownership. These assets are maintained with taxpayer money and are meant for the benefit of all citizens. Damage or misuse affect everyone. How to show respect? Avoid littering, defacing wall, graffiti or damaging public facilities. Use public transport responsibly. Report any damage or vandalism you notice and participate in community effort to maintain public spaces. Treating public property as if it were your own private property ensures its longevity and availability for everyone. Ultimately, civic awareness and responsibility in our areas are not just about following rules. They are about cultivating a mindset of care, empathy and collective well-being. By respecting diversity, the environment and public property, we actively contribute to building a strong, more harmonious and sustainable society for all to live a quality of life. Thank you.